Welcome to Retro Coder. I'm Nate Bothman. In the following video, my laptop screen is being recorded. Due to different refresh rates, the quality is less than desired, including for a couple seconds the screen appears to shake. Now that I posted this disclaimer, please enjoy the episode. DOS is one of my favorite operating systems of all time. That's because it loads really quick and it's efficient, but also it has really cool games. Some of the best software ever made was on DOS. That being said, people's computers are just a couple years old, 3 to 5 years old, start getting bogged down and run real slow because of Windows and updates and things like that. A solution to that is to install a light version of Linux. I'm going to go ahead and do that with my computer here, which is only 5 years old, but it does have 6 gigs of RAM and a dual core processor. But it took 5 minutes just to load with all the software and things that I have on it. So let's see how you can breathe new life into your old computer. So let's check it out. I decided to use Lubuntu as my version for the operating system. It's just a light version of Ubuntu. So if you go to lubuntu.net, you can download whatever version that you need. I find it kind of cool that they have a version for Raspberry Pi, as you can see on the screen. So I went ahead and go to the 64-bit version and download it and save it to my computer. And then after that, I like using CDXP burner or CD Burner XP, to burn my ISO images. So I go ahead and do that and burn the image. Now that we put it in my computer, let's go ahead and install Lubuntu. I'm going to go ahead and skip around because otherwise it would take about 15-20 minutes and I'd just be talking and babbling and saying all kinds of crazy things. So we'll make this as short as possible. And if you notice, I'm just kind of going through everything rather quickly. It's already time to restart the computer. So the installation took 15 seconds if I didn't skip around. So let's go ahead and restart it, so we'll see how long it takes for the computer to restart, which is going to be a lot quicker than it was when it had Windows 10 on it. Now, I did have a lot of software on there, and also there was a lot of updates and things like that. But it's going kind of quick, but I think the BIOS and stuff of the computer is a little bit slower. But as far as when it comes to loading the operating system, it took a while for Windows 10. This is going rather quickly. This is the light version, so you can always install more software from the Ubuntu library. It doesn't have the full Office on there, but it does have a version of Word, Abby Word. So we'll go ahead and check that out. It looks like it's kind of hard to see, so that's not good. So I may have to install a version of VNC on here, so if I do any more episodes, I can just connect to the computer from my main computer, and that way it looks a lot better. Now, I don't know why that's skipping because of the refresh rates or what's going on there. That wasn't good, but let's go ahead and just type in a website and see how quickly it loads. Well, it loads pretty quick, and we'll go ahead and close out of that, and let's go ahead and see how quickly the Word program loads. And again, I apologize that you can't see that. Even though the picture quality was bad, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Until next time, thanks for watching. Sit, Phoebe, sit. Good cat.